So guys, Adobe Firefly are just came out for a public, and this is now in a beta version. It means everyone can use this application, use this site to create image from text, to edit your image like a professional, and you can also create a 3D text with any kind of textures, guys. So this is a perfectly very useful site that you can use. Here you can see that I have just selecting any one of the image, and here I am going to edit this Mahadeva image with some modifications. So here I am adding a trident, that's called Trishula in Hindi, and we will add a Ganga on Mahadeva head, and we will add a snake, guys. So here just watch all tutorial and you can use it. This is the free of cost site now, and in future maybe it will be paid. Okay guys, so you can use it. I will give you the link in a description to use this site, guys. So have fun and watch a poor tutorial regarding AI content generation tool, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.